I'm done. I just woke up, barely finished my coffee, and did some quick gloss varnish of some models that I did zenital yesterday. And then while doing the quick varnishing, this package just arrived. The package came from Colorful Kraken Studios, wherein I'll be writing a couple of articles for their book. So today, I have great Kickstarter news. Hi, I'm Don. Welcome back to my studio. This channel is supported by all these awesome brands. And of course, this channel won't be possible without the support of my patrons. So basically, the great news is that I feel like I'm now a Kickstarter painter. So basically, Colorful Kraken Studios contacted me, messaged me about creating or writing an article for their book that will be launched at Kickstarter. I've signed the agreement, Helio just sent all these paints, and I'm about to write a couple of articles. Although I cannot not share this awesome stuff, however, I did paint for a couple of Kickstarters already, and this one would be the third one. And I agreed to a couple more Kickstarters, like painting for Kickstarters, and those will be launched, I think, next month. Now, for this particular Kickstarter, basically, Colorful Kraken Studios is creating a series of 3 books. Some painters have submitted their articles already, and to be honest, I don't feel like I'm amongst those painters, because if you check Colorful Kraken's Facebook page, you will see that painters like Kaha and some other really famous painters that has been painting miniatures for a while now are part of the book. So it's a series of 3 books, and I think I'll be part of one of the books, not the 3 books, just one of the books. And I have to paint a couple of miniatures. No, I have to write a couple of articles. One is painting a big miniature in just 90 minutes. And then the other one is painting a unit of miniatures. So basically, especially if you're an old subscriber, not old-time subscriber, you know that I paint a lot of, I do painting with Vallejos and now with cuttlefish colors. And of course, once in a while, I do some oils because I love oils. But now I have to paint with AK acrylics and oils for the book. So Colorful Kraken sent me or shipped me all these paints. I'm really excited, especially with these oil paints, because the AK Interactive Acrylics, I haven't used it yet. Although I don't feel like it's really far from Vallejo paints. So I feel like they're pretty similar. So I'm extra excited with the oil paints, to be honest. So don't get me wrong, I'm excited with the acrylics too. However, it's I don't really think that it's too far from Vallejos. And although it's kind of exciting to see the nuances or experience the nuances, because every brand has their own nuances, and they kind of differ a little bit from each other. So basically, I'm painting one creature caster miniature, resin miniature, and I did zenital already. This guy's huge. I should paint him in just under 90 minutes, I think. I'll check the guidelines, and then I'll paint a Death Guard unit, which is my personal army, and I love Death Guard. I'm pretty sure why I'm getting a lot of Kickstarter commissions. I think because I'm cheap. I mean, I'm not that good, I think, as a painter, but I do have reasonable rates. That's it, Pansit. I hope you liked the video and watch these other videos.